Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Sorry for the delay in putting out new videos. It's been a crazy few months. Still waiting for a few suppliers to get things to me that I need to get sorted, but I've done a few things in the background and you should see some videos coming up soon. So I decided to just show you guys a new toy I got, specifically to monitor the battery life and battery health, and yeah, hopefully you guys find the video interesting. Enjoy. So this is the unit I got it on Takealot here in South Africa. It's basically a Bluetooth connector that records your battery usage. It's got a few nice features, cranking tests, charging tests, all that type of stuff, which is great. Basically the reason I got this was because got a dual battery system, and yeah, you want to know if you're drawing current that you shouldn't be drawing when everything is off, and quite a few things that happens in the background. So it's quite easy, just scan the QR code, it takes you to the app, or just search for the BM2 app. I'll show you guys what that looks like now. To install is basically very simple. You just put neutral to neutral, live to live. Yeah, it's straightforward. So now that it's installed, I'll just go on the app and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so the app we're looking for is this battery monitor. Once you've installed it from the Play Store, or depending on which device you are, then this is what it would look like. So I've got my charger connected to the vehicle because when I installed this it was showing 12.3 volts, which isn't bad, but it's also, it just means it's got a bit flat over the time that it hasn't been used. So yeah, it's just on charge now and it's showing 13.24 volt, which means the battery is okay. So if you look at the bottom here, you've got your cranking test, so you can basically run a test while cranking. It will tell you the condition of your battery, does your battery start, and you can record a trip. Very basic, but it will give you everything you need to know, especially if you're doing long trips, if you're going far, overlanding, and you need something to make sure that you're going with a good battery. You also want to alarm if your battery is going to die on you while you've got your fridge or anything plugged into it in the felt. So depending what you're using it for, you can change your alarm parameters. So I change it to when the battery capacity is 30% for alarm, or 70% just to let me know it's draining. So yeah, it's quite easy. When I installed it, it automatically updated the firmware from 7 to 8. I'll use this in the car for a bit and give you guys some feedback if I feel there's anything worth mentioning. Okay guys, so that's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it's for 600 bucks. It gives you a lot of information you previously don't have, especially if you're going to use your vehicle on holidays and periods where you're going to be out in the veld with no support. So knowing the health of your battery is quite important. Think about what you really need out of it and see if this is worth it.